here with a prototype version of Asus's Scar 18, a giant new screen size that goes all in on power with the latest from Intel and Nvidia. The Strix Scar 18 is not the only 18-inch laptop that we saw at CES 2023, which probably means it's just the beginning for a new screen size trend. Most 17-inch gaming laptops of years past err on the larger side, mostly meant as desktop replacements rather than travel companions, so PC makers are doubling down on that idea with an even roomier screen. As such, this is obviously a laptop that puts power over portability. The Scar 18 measures 1.2 inches thick and just over 7 pounds. That's both heavier and thicker than nearly anything else on the market these days, as most machines have opted for more portable builds. While it will share the size, this pre-production model that we got our hands on isn't the final look, so don't read into the aesthetic design too much. While the great heft isn't a positive, the benefits of it start with the display. This 16:10 aspect ratio 18-inch screen aims to deliver a monitor-like experience. It's an advanced panel as well, one of Asus's ROG Nebula displays. That means a mini LED screen with an extra bright 1100 nits rating and a 3 millisecond response time. You can choose between a full HD 165Hz display or a QHD 240Hz panel. There is also a 16-inch version of this laptop. As gorgeous as that screen sounds, the biggest benefit of a large laptop chassis is in the power. A larger body can hold bigger, better cooling setups for the most power-hungry components. Hulking laptops like this are meant for peak performance, driving home that desktop replacement concept. We'll have to hold off on the specifics, but this behemoth will pack the latest 2023 components from Nvidia and Intel. It should go without saying that the Scar 18 will offer the GPU and CPU options at the tops of these stacks in these new generations, going all in on power to drive that fast, spacious display with top-end frame rates. The ROG Scar 18 will support processor TDP up to 65 watts and a max TGP of 175 watts for the GPU. A MUX switch and Nvidia Advanced Optimus are also included for superior performance as well as both manual and dynamic swapping between the integrated graphics and the dedicated GPU. All of Asus's ROG offerings will include liquid metal conductive material for improved cooling. Thanks for watching. Obviously, the performance is going to be the big question mark with this one. We want to see really what those new parts can do, but check back for a full review when we can test it and put it through the paces in the future.